Hey guys, and welcome again to my channel. And today I'm just going to show you some easy meal prep that I do that keeps me on track with my plant-based lifestyle, and it is just simple and easier for me. Over here I have brown rice and bulgur, and those easy to cook. I just cook that up. And over here I have spring mix with cucumber and everything that I just cut up and make ahead of time. Over here I have steamed broccoli with kale. I just cook it for a minute or two. I didn't want to cook out all the nutrients. I just barely steam it down. Over here I have grated carrot. Those are carrot that I just grated, put in a bowl. Over here I have shredded cabbage, and those are the green cabbage. I just shredded up, and it's easier, much easier for me. Over here I have juice. That's my green juice. I have everything in there, all the veggies, and it's all veggies, no fruits.
Come here, let me put you.
And this is just what my dinner looks like. That's carrot juice that I make from my juicer right there. I'm using a Ninja juicer. I bought it at Walmart. It's very simple and easy to work. I spent $80 on that juicer. And in that juice, I have everything in this juice, everything you can think of, a lot of goodies. It's so much easier. Over here we have garbanzo beans, otherwise known as chickpeas, and I cook it up with coconut milk, sweet potato, and curry. It's really good. It's easier for me to do my meal prep for the week, so I don't have to wonder what I'm eating. Everything is there, and I choose what I want to eat. And those are bulgur and brown rice. This is the garbanzo beans. Curry garbanzo bean is really good. And guys, you don't have to make it boring. You can make it fun. You know, plant-based doesn't have to be boring. For me, I'm living and I'm eating to live and not live to eat, so it becomes easier each day for me. I don't crave sugar, I don't crave meat. It's a lifestyle. It is not a diet. It's to get me healthy, get me on track, have me live longer, and just feel my best. It's very simple, and life is very simple. We tend to complicate everything. I used to think about what I'm going to eat for dinner, what I'm going to eat for lunch, what I'm going to eat for snack, when life is not like that. Very simple. And this is the carrot that I'm juicing. I bought this big bag at Publix. It's 25 pounds, and it's organic. So daily I make my carrot juice, and I mix it. You can always mix it with your veggies. And this is what a meal look like for me. I eat twice a day. So this will be dinner for me. And I also add turmeric to my meal. I had garlic, and I also add flaxseed and cumin to my meal. So my meal, it consists of 70% raw and 30% cooked. So it's 70-30. I'm feeling my best ever since I went plant-based. And as I said, guys, it is not a diet. It is a lifestyle for me. I eat breakfast, and I give my body 4 to 5 hours to digest that breakfast. Then I eat my dinner, and I have nothing else for the rest of the day. So far, I'm down over 40 pounds, and I'm feeling very good. I have all my energy. My level of my energy is up, and I'm looking and feeling great. And as always, thank you guys for watching. I love and appreciate you all. Thank you for taking me on with this journey.